Hi, my name's Brenton from Squidezy, and what I'd like to show you today is how to clean a squid using our squid cleaning tools. The Squidezy squid cleaning tools come in a pack of 3 like this, and in that pack is 3 sizes: large, medium and small. Difference of sizes matter on the size of the squid you've caught. So the one I've got here today to demonstrate with is a large squid, so we'll use the large Squidezy tool. So to begin with, the Squidezy tool has a V-notch in the end of it. It's like a cutting blade. And what that cutting blade does is cuts through the tube and separates it from the head. So here we go, we'll give it a go and see what happens. So what I do is I lift the hood of the squid and gently slide the Squidezy tool in, and you can feel a bit of resistance when the blade cuts through. And you push that tool all the way to the bottom, nice and firm. Then what we do, using this finger hole, we put our finger in the hole, we lift the Squidezy tool up and we grab the squid head by the back of the eyes and give it a gentle pull, and you'll feel the insides break away. We pull it out slowly, and there we have it. We have all the organs, the ink sac, everything's still intact. And we can use that ink sac later for pasta if you like. I'll trim those up later, the tentacles, and put them in a stir fry. Lovely, so we'll just put that aside for now. And then I'm going to show you the next step with the Squidezy tool. We stand the squid upright with the tool still inside. There's a bit of a finger grip there, so you can actually grip the squid firmly with it. In each tool, there's these little notches, and those notches will assist us. If you put them over the tip of the squid, rock it back and forward, it'll just get things started to pull that skin away from the tube. You do have to get your fingernails in there sometimes, especially when the squid are a little bit bigger. And once you get it started, it'll all come off nice and easy in one go. Have a look at that. Run your hands down. Everything's come off. And all you're left with is a beautiful Squidezy squid tube. With the Squidezy tool still in, we lay it down flat, and inside the tube it's like a feather. It's a bit of a cartilage type thing. We need to remove that. Some people call it a pen. Now the next thing is, which I think is the best part of the tool, is we remove the tool, lay the squid tube down flat, and in the top of the tool again, there's 2 little like forks. Now those forks will help you turn the tube inside out, just like that. Rolling through, stand it up, make it easier. Roll it through slowly. I grab the top just so we don't split that top, and roll it down, and we can remove the rest of the organs. Some people don't do that. They forget to turn their tube inside out, and it gives you a bit of a yucky taste. And you clean that off with your knife and give it a rinse. But this one's pretty good, all ready to cook. We can slice it up for calamari tubes, or we could stuff that one. And it's as simple as that. So get yourself a Squidezy tool, visit our website squidezy.com, and look at our list of stockists around Australia. Thank you very much for watching.